Rap Process Limited is a 25-year-old company in Malawi. We are employing 1,500 people on average regularly. And then this is not just 1,500 people, it's 1,500 families. And Rap Process is among the few companies who are employing more than 1,000 people. We buy almost all the agriculture produce. Then we get involved in all sorts of pulses, be it pigeon peas, which is used for yellow lentils, red lentils, and various variety of kidney beans, and also peanuts, which are known as groundnuts as well.
We get the nuts from the farmers. We grade the nuts into small, the shriveled ones, and in the small ones, the damaged ones, we separate them. We get only the full nuts, the big ones, the big size quantity. Let's say maybe 8 millimeter to 10 millimeter, the nut size is. So that is the nut that we take it for the roasters. We load it in the roasters. The roaster will take about 1 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes. Then we take it to with our coating drum, where we coat the salty water. So then we coat it for about 5 minutes. Then we offload the thing. So about 2 to 3 hours we dry it up. Then we take it back to where we grade it again. We are 100% sure that Scottish people are going to be like this product because South Africa and Zambia, they loved the product. We got a very good comments from the hotels as well, saying that customers have been given a nice comments on the product. It's very good and very tasty. We pack it nicely into these cartons and it goes to the end user into the market.
My name is Christopher Kachande. I am the production officer of Rap Processors. I've been working with Rap Processors for 9 years. Because I've stayed here for 9 years, I've seen that it's good for my life, and my life with my family has improved a lot. And I can say to have a permanent job is a good thing because you know that I've got a job. When you're in problem, you know where to go to and you know where to get help. It's a very good experience to work with Rap Processors because we are working with different people from different backgrounds, different education background, religion, and then we work together to achieve a common goal.
We got various staff welfare schemes in place. We got various interest-free loan schemes. For example, something as small as for buying a bicycle, which is not necessarily an easy part for everyone to own a bicycle in Malawi. And then we do a lot of food aid programs where in lean period we give them food packs and hampers so that our employees, extended family in the rural areas are looked after. We provide a meal at the factory for all the employees. When it comes to our corporate social responsibility activities, we partner with other NGOs which are also involved and maybe having a wide coverage, going and rescuing people who are affected by malnutrition and everything. We work with a Scottish mission called Mary's Meals in Malawi, who have started off with 2 or 3 schools initially. Now they feed in excess of 300,000 children through primary schools across the country.